Good afternoon, students. Hope you're all doing great today. In today's lesson in science, we're going to have our second part of our lesson, which is called What are Natural Resources? And the objective of our lesson is to model the relationship between natural resources and how people use them to meet their needs. So, let's get into our lesson. The first natural resource we're going to talk about is air. Air is everywhere, all around us. Air cannot be seen, but it can be felt when the wind blows. We use air in different ways. All living things need air to breathe. People also use air to blow up balloons and to make bubbles. Water is another natural resource. Remember that people, plants, and animals need water to live and grow. And some of the many uses of water are cleaning our hands, cleaning our belongings, such as our vehicles, watering our plants, and drinking. Looking at this picture, can you guess the third natural resource that we're going to talk about? Very good! Rocks. Rocks come from land. People use rocks to cover the surface of a road and to build walls and houses. Our fourth natural resource is soil. Soil has nutrients and water that plants need. Clay can also be found in soil. Clay is not good for growing most kinds of plants, but it is good for making bricks used for building homes and other structures. Let's open page 254 in our science book and let's solve the first exercise together. Let's take a look at these two pictures and let's answer the following question. Circle the natural resource being used in each picture. Well done! We're going to circle the soil in the first picture, and we're going to circle the brick wall in the second picture. The natural resource that is being used in these two pictures is soil. We use it to grow plants and to make bricks. Let's move on to page 255 in our science book, where we have our experiment for this week. And for this experiment, we will need an ice cube tray, a cooking spray, and some clay. For step 1, these kids are asked to fill each cube in the tray with clay. For step 2, they have to place the tray in a sunny, warm, dry place and wait until the clay is dry. For step 3, the children have to take the clay out of the tray. For step 4, they have to use the clay bricks to build something. So, let's make a claim. What will we write in the box? Well, a sample answer can be: people use natural resources to help them meet their needs. Now, what is your evidence? Well, drawings may vary, but we can draw a house made of clay bricks. Let's proceed to solve our exercises on page 260 in our science book. And for question number 1, we have to take a look at these 4 pictures and to circle the natural resources. Fantastic job! Let's draw a circle on the natural resources in each of these pictures. The first resource here is soil. The second one is air. The third one is water. And the fourth one in the fourth picture shows rocks. Now, for question number 2, we have to look at these 4 pictures and to circle the pictures of people using natural resources. Great job! Let's circle all of the 4 pictures. In the first picture, one person is breathing air. In the second picture, one person is building with rocks. In the third picture, a person is drinking water. And in the fourth picture, a person is putting a plant in soil. All these resources in these pictures are called natural resources. And finally, let's solve our last exercises on page 261. And for question number 3, we have to take a look at these pictures of soil, water, and a rock. And we are asked to circle the natural resources needed to grow tomatoes. Excellent job! Let's draw a circle on the picture of the soil and the water. Plants, like tomatoes, need the nutrients that are found in soil and water. Now, for question number 4, we have to take a look at these 4 pictures and to draw a line from the natural resource to the picture that shows how it is being used. Well done! Let's draw a line from the rock structure to the pile of rocks. And let's draw a line from the flowers to the soil. Keep in mind that natural resources enable living things to meet their needs. And in the case of these pictures, they enable people to build a shelter, and they enable the flowering plants to live and grow. Hope you enjoyed our lesson for today. Have a great day. Bye-bye.